In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop in a couple of seconds. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. So I have the Wi-Fi QR code image on my desktop right here. But if you're in a coffee shop, an office, or other place, and you have the QR code on a sticker or similar, just take a photo of that QR code from your phone and then email it to yourself. Download that QR photo from the mail to your desktop, and we can now continue to the next step. Once I have that QR code image saved on my laptop, I can open my web browser and then navigate to a website called QReader Online. But if you're not connected to Wi-Fi and you don't have an internet connection, then create a mobile hotspot from your phone and share the internet from your phone to your laptop for a minute or two until you get the Wi-Fi password from your QR code. So open this website. Upload the QR code photo, which you have saved on your desktop, and then the site is going to scan your QR code automatically. You will then get the Wi-Fi name and your password, which is under this P. You can see that my password is Marshall028, and I can use this to connect to the Wi-Fi network.